Okay, section 1.5, number 45 here. What we need to do when I'm trying to find the solutions for this problem is I need to find my critical values first. Okay, all critical values are where the top and the bottom equal 0. So I take x plus 4 equals 0 and x minus 1 equals 0. And I get negative 4 and positive 1. Now to find my solution set, I start out with a graph. I always put 0 on there and put my points, negative 4 and positive 1. Now we know that x cannot be equal to 1 because that'll turn the bottom equal to 0. So therefore that's going to be an open circle right there. Okay, it tells me it's not going to be part of that solution. What I do now is I check the values within these ranges. So I'm going to do my checkpoints. Okay, now I want to find where it's less than 0. So I'm looking for negative values. So I'm going to check a number out in this side. I'll just check something like 10. I need to check a number in between the two values. So in between negative 4 and 1, we'll check 0. And something on the left side, I'll check negative 10. Now it doesn't matter which value you check, because I don't care what the value of the number is, only if it's positive or negative. When I put 10 in, I get 14 over 9, which is positive. What that tells me is the graph on this side goes up. It's in a positive value, because remember positive is up and negative is down on the y-axis. When I put 0 in, I get 4 over negative 1, so that's negative. And when I put negative 10 in, I get negative 6 over negative 11, negative over negative is the positive. So that tells me, in general, my graph looks like that. Now don't think it's actually a parabola, because it's not. But what it does is it allows me to see what these solutions are. I only care where it's less than 0. So I only care from negative 4 to 1 are my values. Well, now I have to put in the proper brackets. Because negative 4, it can equal negative 4, because that just turns the top to 0, but it's not equal to. So therefore, that's going to be an open bracket, because remember, equal to is a squared off bracket. And at 1, it can't be equal to 1, so that's also going to be an open bracket. So there is my solution set for number 45.